talking about the big picture with a lot of these earnings, whether it's consumer staples or some of the industrials that are talking about the overall health of the global economy. And that's really good news that they're putting out there. But here's what I like. As the second half of this week comes on, you've got story-specific stocks. So Boeing tomorrow, what's going on with the 737 MAX. Obviously, Facebook, both with privacy and technology issues they've had over the last few weeks and months. The point that I'm driving at here is these don't have to be big picture wins coming up in the second half of the week. If you get these idiosyncratic company-specific earnings reports doing well, this market can easily go to new highs by the end of the week.
So I was going to ask you that. Okay, we get to new highs, Steph, and then what? What happens then? We continue to keep going? I mean, today's price action in some stocks says that, look, a lot of these names have gone a long way in a fairly short period of time, even with good earnings. Is it enough to carry them even higher?
Well, earnings always drives the market higher or lower, obviously. And I think that the expectations for this quarter was so low, and we're all positively surprised for now. It's still very early, so let's wait to see what other companies have to say. But again, I go back and I look at kind of big picture and the global picture. And we were all so nervous that we were seeing this massive slowdown. And now we're seeing stabilization, and companies are starting to say that to us. And that's, I think, could drive us a lot higher if we get some momentum globally. I don't think that's priced into stocks, and I don't think that's priced into the market. Yeah,
well, you're a buyer of some stocks today, even with the strength that we're seeing. You're sort of undeterred to get into some of these names now.
Yeah, no, I bought ExxonMobil because obviously that stock has lagged over the last several years. They have new management, and so it's a company-specific story. And I think that's what's very much of the theme this year. It's all about stock picking, and Exxon has actually lagged. You have a new management team, you've got cost cutting, you've got integration synergies from all the M&A that they've done over the years. I think they might do more M&A, and so that's the one that I've actually been buying. I've actually been selling a little bit of Kohl's. It's up nicely today, just taking some profits. I do like that combination very much, but a win is a win.
Okay. Jimmy, buying anything today?
Well, no, because I'm pretty much fully invested. Actually, I'm sorry, I am nibbling at a few stocks I already own. So Cleveland Cliffs, the iron ore manufacturer, to the extent that we're talking about a global economic recovery here or expansion continuing, I like the iron ore miner there. Also, my small cap stock that I think you all know I love, Orbcom, this satellite telemetry company. Look, these in the small cap space, we've been talking about how they've been beaten down. These stocks are great examples of them, and there's great value there. That's why I'm buying them.